So on our way up to Lincoln, and we've come across a house, I believe it's called Rainbow House, so I've gone to have a little look. Seen some good stuff on Facebook and that about it, so see what it's all about.
Rainbow stairs.
Yeah, apparently so. So go and have a look and find out why it's called Rainbow House. Right, enjoy the video.
Bye.
What's it called? Rainbow.
You ain't got to get a full window.
No, it's a door here. Yeah.
I love it when there's a front door.
All the electric room. Look at that. All the trees and everything growing right inside.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Look at all the ivy. It's all growing on the floor. And the ceiling and the roof are coming. Why's that chimney pot still up there?
Do you know what? It's like a not greenhouse, it's a summer room.
A summer
room. There you go, you can see the main road there.
Good window.
Where's the rainbow? Ooh.
Big hole in the ceiling. Loose brickwork. All the plaster and that's come off the wall. That's an old school electrical socket. Right there. Wonder if anyone can tell me what date they were used. Yes, you can go there.
Oh god, that's gonna snap.
Little hinges. What's that? That's another light.
So guys, if you ever want to see how a house is actually built, you have your brick, and then you've got your plasterboard. Boom. Oh, look at that wallpaper.
I know, it's still.
It's cool, isn't it? I reckon, oh, we go through here.
Yeah, the stairs are there.
Look at the stairs.
Yeah.
You sure you want to go up there?
Yeah, I do. Remember that.
You sure it's safe?
I'll find out, won't I?
Oh,
Don't worry. Oh my god. That's awesome. This is like literally been destroyed by nature.
Wake up in the morning, you're right for that, wouldn't you?
I'm not going to go in the room, for obvious reasons.
Look up there. They obviously like the colour red as well.
Yeah man, the roof is red. There's a hole into the roof. And down the stairs. More third step. You going down?
Yeah, I'm just taking a photo.
It's pretty cool.
So guys, short and sweet, but still pretty cool, and at least we found out why it actually is called the Rainbow House. So I am wondering if they actually painted them stairs or someone else has come here and done it. But if anyone knows, let us know, because we'd love to know, wouldn't we?
Yeah, we would.
Yeah.
Also, you know, remember, like, subscribe and share the video.
So thank you.
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.